In this class we study about the half subtractor and full subtractor. Okay, so here I have already taken one video regarding this half subtractor and full subtractor. Now I think you know the concept, or if you don't know, you just go through that video and learn what you mean by an half subtractor and full subtractor. Now in this class we study how to realize the half subtractor and full subtractor by using the NAND gate. Okay. Before that we see what is the borrow and carry of half subtractor. So borrow of half subtractor is equal to A complement B. So here we are having, and difference of the not carry, its difference, it is A XOR B. So it will look similar to your half adder. So what is the half adder carry? It is A dot B. What is the half adder sum? Sum is A XOR B. So the realization using NAND gate, the half adder realization of NAND gate will be almost similar to your half subtractor realization. Okay. So this is that circuit, and here we are having an realization of sum, and this we have having a realization of sum here, and here we are having the realization of sum here. Sum is equal to A XOR, not sum, sorry, we are having a difference equal to A XOR B. A XOR B, which will be similar to your sum. What is the sum? Sum is A XOR B. So now we can have this XOR realization similar to your half adder. So you can use the same principle for subtractor. But here the difference is borrow. Borrow is what? A complement dot B. So here what we do, we have taken the A complement and we have to multiply it with the B. So that is, we cannot take directly here. For that you can see here, so here we are having a B here, B is being fed to here, and here we are having AB complement. So the result here we will be getting here is B into AB complement. B into AB complement. Okay. So what we can see here, and what we can see here is we have to connect only a NOT gate to this one. So that is, so here we can connect it to the directly to a NOT gate. So this we have to get a borrow here. So here we will be getting a borrow here. അതായത് ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്കൊരു ബോറോ കിട്ടണം. ഇതാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഡിഫറൻസ് സെയിം ആണ്. നിങ്ങളുടെ ഇവിടെ എ പറഞ്ഞ ഗേറ്റ് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, ഇവിടെ എ ഉണ്ടാവും. സോ ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എ ബി കോംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് കിട്ടും, ഇത് ബി ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊരു നാൻഡ് ഗേറ്റ് ആണ്. സെക്കൻഡ് നാൻഡ് ഗേറ്റ് നോക്കുക. സെക്കൻഡ് നാൻഡ് ഗേറ്റ് നിങ്ങൾ എ ഇൻറ്റു എ ബി കോംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ്. So this is the thing which we get in the second NAND gate. And in the third NAND gate, we can see here, in the third NAND gate what we are getting here. In the third NAND gate we will be getting B into AB complement. So you will be getting here as B into AB complement. Okay, so same thing you will be getting here, and the difference is being taken, and you will be getting the sum as A dot AB complement dot B dot AB complement whole complement. Whole complement is applicable. So there you will be getting A XOR B. A XOR B. Same thing which we have followed for the XOR half adder. Okay, there is no more difference. Same for half adder. Now the difference comes while in the case of the borrow. So borrow, we are having B complement, AB complement, we are having this one, B into AB complement. So this is the output. So we have feeding it to this one. So what we get here as output, we are getting directly, we are not getting directly as A complement B. So what we are getting is A dot what we are getting is B dot, sorry, what we are getting is B dot, see here, B dot AB complement double complement. So B dot AB complement double complement is equal to what? B dot AB complement. So here we can apply De Morgan's theorem. So B into A complement plus B complement. Then multiply this one. Then we are getting A complement into B plus B into B complement. So what is B into B complement is equal to 0. Then we are getting the result as A complement B. So this is the result. So that's why we are getting the borrow as A complement B. Fine. So this is how we can realize the half subtractor using NAND gates.